welcome to Ramsas Deva classes. As you all know that the deadline to file the income tax return for the financial year 23-24 is fast approaching. That is 31st July 2024, which is less than a month from now. It is crucial to file the income tax return in order to avoid penalties and late filing charges. We have started this series on how to file the income tax return, what are various exemptions and deductions that are available, what are the kinds of returns that the individual or HUF or any other category of persons need to select. We will help you understand all those in this series. In this session, we are only going to focus on how to file your income tax return online on the income tax portal. So let's begin. So friends, let's begin. As a starting step, you need to visit the income tax official e-filing website. Click on login and you will get this screen. In this screen, you will have to mention your PAN number as a user ID under the user ID section. Enter your password and then click continue. Once you have done this, you will get this kind of a screen. Under the e-file tab, there will be some drop downs. Select income tax return. Under the income tax, there will be other drop downs. Select file income tax return. This will take you to this screen wherein you will have to select the assessment year. The current assessment year is 24-25 for the financial year 23-24. If you are filing for earlier assessment year, you need to select the appropriate assessment year in that case. Then you will have to select the mode of filing, which is online. After that, you will be asked whether you are filing the original return or the revised return. Select original return. If you have earlier filed it, select revised return. Then click continue. In this step, you will be asked to select the status applicable to you. If you are an individual, you will select an individual. HUFs will select HUF, else you will select others, and it will take you to the following screen. So guys, in this step, you will be asked to choose an ITR form to proceed. Select the appropriate ITR form. There are total of 7 ITR forms which are available, out of which 1 to 4 is applicable to individuals and HUFs. Select the appropriate ITR form and then click proceed. After that, you will be taken to this screen where you need to choose the reasons for filing the ITRs. There are 3 options available. You need to choose one. Let's say you choose that the first option, that is taxable income is more than the basic exemption limit. You can also choose the second and the third option if you meet specific criteria as mentioned herein. Once you have selected the your choice, click on continue. You will be taken to this screen. In this screen, you need to validate the pre-filled information which is already there, which is based on the data provided by your employers, ex-employer, banks, etc. There are 4 kind of confirmations you need to give. One is the personal information, second is on the gross total income, then on the total deductions, and then the tax paid. Under the personal information, you will be asked to write your information, which can relate to your PAN, Aadhaar, name, date of birth, contact number, and bank details. If you are okay with the pre-filled information, you will provide your confirmation. If you want to make some edits, make the edits and then provide your confirmation. Once you are through with the personal information, you will be taken to gross total income. Select see all the details. If you are okay with it, provide your confirmations. Then it will be the total deductions. Similarly, provide your confirmations. Once you provide all these confirmation, your tax liability will appear. If there is any tax liability, you will be asked to pay the tax amount. Once you have done that, the last step is to e-verify your return within time limit of 30 days. You have the option to e-verify your returns using different methods such as using your Aadhaar OTP, electronic verification code, net banking, or you can also send a physical copy of your ITR to the income tax office. So guys, with this, we are through with this session. I hope you found this relevant. In the subsequent sessions, we will touch upon various topics like what are the various ITR forms that are available, what are the various exemptions, various deductions that are available to reduce your income tax liabilities. So stay tuned.